Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Now today I'll be discussing about managing and caring for yourself. So tune up, I hope you will learn something. Now, for my physical self, I like to exercise to improve my physical health and body. So do it with me. One, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, four, five. Now, I usually exercise 2 to 3 times a week. For my economic self, I budget my allowance that my mothers give me. So, for example, here's a 70 pesos that is my budget for my dinner. So come by with me to buy my dinner. Peace. Now, for my digital self, I always think before I click. So, I should know that for the information that I take, it should be informative. Like this. I'm scrolling to Facebook and I should always think before I click before maybe because I will share some wrong information, so that is very very bad thing. So always know that think before you click. Now, for my spiritual self, I go to church and serve as an altar server. I go to church so that I can go and so that I can be closer to God and take him for the things that he's done for me and the things that I have sinned for so that he can forgive me. So here are the pictures that me serving to the church. Now, for my sexual self, I always set boundaries and consent with my partner so that our relationship would be greater and very, very strong. So, why do we need to set boundaries and consent? In this way, we can make our relationship very, very and also one thing, by setting these boundaries, it makes our relationship grow and make our bond really, really strong. Now, that's all. Now, for my political self, I always share about advocacies that can help our change our world. For example, is our environment advocacy, like how we can on how we can change our environment, like pollution and by supporting this advocacy on against pollution, it can help people learn and have a better understanding about climate change. By doing this, we can make our world a better place to live on for our next generations. Now, lastly, for my psychological self, I always listen to music because it helps clear my mind and make my mind think better. Now, I'm gonna make you listen to a song that somehow change my mind because it makes my mind really really relax when listening to this music. Now, here it is. It's called Sarah by Alex G. I'm gonna skip it. Burning in her lungs, near her hand. Don't you know what Sarah meant when she said you be my guest? To keep the faith, to save your faith, you'll never make the place. Why do you even run the race? I can't be. Now, this song means like running, like Sarah runs free and it makes her lungs very, very free and relaxed. So, that's all for my psychological self. Now, that's all. Thank you for watching. I hope that you have learned something about me on how I manage my different kind of self. So, that's all. I hope you learned something. Peace